Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Samayal. Today I am before you with a wonderful cheesy masala bread recipe. Let's make the stuffing for bhaji. Let's smash the boiled potatoes. Smash it completely. Add salt to taste. Pinch of turmeric powder. Chili powder as per your taste. 1 tablespoon of dhaniya powder, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala, it gives a chatpata taste, chopped coriander leaves, mix them well. If needed, add little water and make it into a thick stuffing. Let's make the batter. Take besan flour as needed. Add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Mix them all together. Add some salt to taste. Chili powder as per your taste. Pinch of turmeric powder, pinch of cooking soda, or you can even use baking soda, pinch of hing. Mix them well. Just add water as per need and mix it into a semi-thick paste. If the batter is too thin, then it may absorb oil. So make sure that the batter is semi-thick. Take a slice of bread. Spread the stuffing onto the bread. Fold the slice of bread into half. Just dip it into the batter and just deep fry them. Fry them until it is slightly golden brown. Serve this bhaji along with green chutney. Just check the description box for the green chutney recipe. Simple and tasty evening snacks is ready. Now let's have a look at cheesy aloo bhaji. Take a slice of bread. Spread some aloo masala onto the top. Sprinkle some mozzarella cheese. Again fold it into half. Dip it into the batter. Deep fry them. And our cheesy aloo bhaji is ready. It really tastes awesome. Try this for your kids. They enjoy eating it. Super tasty and creamy aloo bhaji is ready. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. For many more simple recipes, stay connected to Healthy Samayal.